We're in the car, go to Pilates, 11:30. I still have to go put gas. You need to sit in your car for 10 minutes and blast music. Okay, we literally just made it to Pilates. We're gonna get inside because I can't be late. I don't want to be late. We ended up at Salon Centric. I just realized as an outside, because I have my license, I can go in there and buy products for my hair. I have curly hair, so I am a curly hair product junkie. Came back. We're home. I showered. I washed my hair. I went ahead and I did the Olaplex treatment. And now I'm gonna use Rizzo's curls. We got mail. Amazon, sponsor me. I order from you like every other day. Clear, and I got white. Hopefully these do what I need them to. They don't stick to the wax pencil, because sometimes it does stick to it and it's annoying. I need products that work with me, not against me. I placed an order on TikTok. These, the pusher, and then to pick at the freaking cuticle. I don't know who left this mess. It wasn't me, but now I have to clean it up. You're like I don't have a problem. That was my last client of the day. It is currently 6:17. I want to finish blow drying my hair. Back in the studio is Friday.
Equipment on hold for Thursday. We just need to pull.
And on today's schedule, my first client just left. He cleaned up. I set up for my second client. I did have 4 clients. Did cancel. Just moved up my 6 p.m. So hopefully I get to get out early. My lashes. This is why I don't get lashes anymore. I cannot do it.
Hi guys, this is your reminder to keep very strict professional client relationships, because if not, they're gonna be all up in your shop just fucking around for hours with your camera for hours, but at least their nails will eat.
I just finished my second client of the day and her nail set was so freaking cute. Right. It is Saturday. Get ready, go out with the girl. Enjoyed my Sunday off at the beach, and then Monday morning I did have 2 clients. In the afternoon I did play pickleball with my boyfriend. Tuesday. Okay. I have not edited. I have not posted. I've not eaten all day today. I had a Subway sandwich, so I'm gonna eat this now before my clients. I got these nail gel polish set. It's basically like nail ink.